You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, a god from Norse mythology. If you want to learn more confusing names, including the name of her sister from Norse mythology, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Old Norse, also Icelandic. Freyr, Freyr. How to pronounce Freyr in English? It's usually pronounced as Freyr. Freyr. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.